Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you a new website that's going to pay you out passively in cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you everything inside of this video, so make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So here is the front page of the actual method, and I'm going to show you how to make money inside of this, guys. It is super easy to get started making some money. So it says free crypto coins. We provided 22 types of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, I really enjoyed this Ethereum because of that website that I've showed you recently, guys. It says open the door now to the crypto world, collect free coins and play wonderful games. So I'm going to show you inside of this, guys. It is going to be extremely easy to make this passive. So let's just sign in really quick. Let me sign into my actual account so I can show you how to get some money right now. It is called faucet.org. If you guys do not want to click on the link, just go over there and type it in on Google. It's fine with me. So let's come over here, guys. Once you're at the actual home screen, you're gonna have different options right here in the left hand corner. It says free tokens, guys. So I'm going to show you the basics. I'm going to show you the way you can start to make this passive. You can see I'm already at level 2 on this, guys. The cool thing about this, guys, first off, is as you level up, the more times you're going to get, so the more bonuses you're going to get per points that you receive. And I'm going to show you how you can do all of this right now. I'm not going to show you inside of the offer walls because those are just pretty much like a waste of time for me. So I hate doing these, and I know you do too. So let's just stick to the easy ways on making some money with this. So first off, guys, you're gonna need to put in a little bit of upfront work. So we're just gonna come over here where it says free tokens. We're gonna click on where it says short links, and this is the way I found out that is gonna be the best way to make some money on this actual platform and to make it passive. Now, I would highly recommend you guys not using this where it says NSFW, because that is not a place where you want your website to be at right now, because there is a not so good stuff inside of these. So we can just skip those that have the yellow tags on them, because that is more of sexual type of stuff. So if we just skip those, guys, we can move on to the other ones that are opened. So you can just click on visit site. So I'm showing you how you can start to get these tokens in order to make this passive, guys. So I just wait for a while just for all of this to load up, because I don't want to click on this and then it just shoots down and I just clicked on an ad. So I exit out of all of these. I do not allow or block. I just exit out just in case, guys, because I don't want to mess with anything. So once the website is fully loaded up, just click on I am not a robot. Yes, you're gonna get some ads that pop up, so just exit out of all of the ads real quick. Click on I'm not a robot. Just keep on doing this until it allows you to actually click on it. So that is the way these websites actually make their money. So it is fine with me if they have to make us do that like 4 or 5 times just to make this method passive, guys. So once you click on that, guys, I just would like to wait where it has this right here. It's going to lead us to another page. Just exit out of that ad, and then now let's move on to this where it's going to make us wait a couple of seconds to click on the link that's right here, guys. Don't click on anything else but just the link. So I like to click around here just to make sure that another ad does not pop up just like it did right now, and just keep on doing this, guys. It is super easy. Once you click on this right here, nothing else pops up. Now you're free to click on get link. So it's gonna pop up another ad, but we are finished. So if we exit out of this website, guys, you can see that we already got our 60 FCT tokens or points. So you can see that, guys, and if we just continue, look how much we can actually make off of this website. We have 186 links available. So if you just stay consistent and keep on doing this over and over again, guys, you can get thousands and thousands of points. Now, if you want to earn points passively, the CFT tokens, just come over here where it says mining, and then within this mining tab, guys, all you have to do is just open up these threads and it will start mining on the browser itself. So you don't have to download any of these GUI miners or command line minings, or you can even put this in a website. So whenever people go to your website, like if you have a blog, then they're going to be mining the tokens for you, because the tokens or the code is on that website, and that website is going to mine it through the browser mining, and then you're going to start to get some passive income with this actual application. So this is a really cool way you can start to earn some passive money, some passive auto claim tokens. So now, since since we have some money, guys, or some tokens to actually make this passive, we can come over here to the dashboard real quick and just check it out to see how much we can actually afford. So as you can see, guys, all I need is 59 points to go to the next level. So let me complete one more short URL link real quick, and so I can show you that this actually goes up to like 0.003 and then 0.004. It's going to be super easy to make money off of this website. So as you can see, guys, now we have successfully claimed another 60 FCT tokens and another 50 level points. So now we have reached officially level 3 on this website already, guys. So again, this is going to be the auto faucet. I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video so you can get started right away making some money today with this method. So now we're at level 3. Now we got 0.003 bonus times. So if we just keep on staying consistent on this website, guys, the longer we use this, the more we use this, the more money we can make and the more passive it will become. So now let's go over here to where it says faucet, guys. Now we have different options. We can manually claim this or we can auto claim this. So if we go to the auto claim, because that's passive, that is really good, then we can just make money on here, guys. So now you got to choose your currencies. I personally am going to start to do ETH non-stop, guys. I'm not going to do Bitcoin. I'm not doing anything else but Ethereum. So now we have to choose our payouts. So now I'm just going to get a 1% credit because I want to make more money off of this website. So I'm going to do 1% credit. So it says choose frequency. So I want to do, let's do every 10 minutes so I can get a 2% bonus, and it says payout boost. So now this is going to be how much times you want to use. So the FCT tokens every time it claims. So it says you're gonna earn around 133 Ethereum Satoshis plus another 5 bonus because I'm getting 2% from here and I'm getting another 1% in credit there. So now it's gonna be claiming every 10 minutes for 30 tokens. So I need 30 tokens every 10 minutes. So we need to keep staying consistent on getting those FCT tokens, getting that upgraded boost as we level up to start making some passive income with this actual application. So let's just click on claim, and now it's going to auto claim every 10 minutes, guys. So it says 138 ETH has been credited to your auto faucet account. So now I'm just going to keep getting some free money from just having it sit on the dashboard on this website, guys, so we can start to make some passive income and eventually investing in a different website. So this right here, guys, is another website. Now this is like a system I'm showing you guys. This is a new account. I've started off with $0.00 on this account right here, guys. So as you can see, I'm already up to $8.27. So I'm showing you different methods on how to grow money in cryptocurrency the legit way. Now this website I have talked about previously on this channel a couple of times already, guys. Now I want to show you something really interesting about this. This is a smart contract. So from this point forward, it's not going to disappear. The smart contract has been tested and audited by hackers, has been audited by people studying the code inside of the smart contract, and they have found 0 ways on how you can actually get inside of this contract and take the money. So this is the safest way you can actually invest your money in cryptocurrency. So again, this is a new account, and I'm getting the money from this actual website, from all of these money making applications. I'm trading them into Ethereum. I'm sending them over to this MetaMask account, and that's the way you can actually sign in on this account. You need a MetaMask wallet, and then I'm going to start to invest all of my money that I'm getting for free inside of this one website right here, guys, on this brand new account. So I'm going to show you how you can start to make some money, some insane amount of money without risking anything, guys. I'm getting free money from account websites. I'm investing them inside of this smart contract that it will not disappear because it's been around since 2018, and look at this skyrocketing. I don't care if it goes up, I don't care if it goes down, because we're making money whenever people buy in, we're making money when people buy out, we're making money when Ethereum goes up, we're making money when Ethereum goes down, guys. So this is the best investment platform that I'm going to start to be in, and I'm going to show you how to grow an account from zero to hero, guys. I want to show you how to grow an account to start making you some money with this one website right here, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to leave the links down in the description of this video so you can get started making some money right now in 2020. So let's get started. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.